How is it? Breakfast in bed?
Yeah.
Happy with that?
What's today? Thursday. Breakfast in bed. Make it a weekly thing.
No, we'll see about that. Right, we're going to have brekkie. And then what are we doing today? We're going into Pemberton, aren't we? Looking around Pemberton.
Yeah.
A couple of little things we want to see in that. And finally the train ride.
Third time lucky and all that.
Yep. Righto. We'll finish brekkie, clean up, get into it. Well, all locked up, all good on the way to Pemberton.
Yeah.
How was brekkie?
It was good. Yum.
Beautiful brekkie. And we got to watch these guys plant their cauliflower, which is pretty cool to watch, pretty interesting to watch. All the different machines they've got, and the, I guess, the retic that they're running, which is definitely something interesting to watch. But anyway, Pemberton today, we have got a train booked in, tram, whatever it is. Lake, the dam, sorry. You want to get a hot chocolate?
Yeah, to take on the train.
Take on the train, and what else we got? The tree that you can climb. I've forgotten the name of it. Dave Evans bicentennial tree, maybe. I think that's going to be it. But anyway, let's get into Pemberton and I guess start day 2 of Pemberton. Hopefully it goes a little bit better than yesterday.
It will be.
Let's do it. So we are at Big Brook Dam.
Yep.
Sign's down there. You've been here before, I haven't.
I was here before I met you.
Yep.
So a good 9 years ago now.
Fair enough.
Wow.
So you should be able to tell if it's changed or not.
I don't remember this park in there.
Plenty of info. Couple of maps as well, look. Couple of jetties, fishing platforms. We did see some people fishing off the dam wall. 4 kilometre walk, we doing that? No. No. We've got a tree to climb today. And that's where we're going to be going after. Which is apparently Gloucester Tree is the one that everyone knows of. Apparently that one's closed, but we have been told this one is better.
I can't say I'm going to make it to the top.
Anyway, let's get into Big Brook Dam, have a look around.
And we are going on the train for the Karri Forest later.
Yep, we are doing the Karri Forest Tram. So we originally planned to put canoes on the roof, kayaks, whatever they are, canoes, kayaks, on the roof of the Prado, but the weight problem sort of ran into us. We ran into the weight problem. Couldn't get the canoes on, which is a bugger, because you wanted to learn how to canoe and stand up paddleboard.
Yeah.
Yep.
Eventually.
Eventually, we get some nice weather, which bloody nice out there now. Probably would have done it, but we just haven't got the canoes here. So we're going to have to hire them somewhere. Find a nice spot to hire them.
Yeah, make sure it's like still water.
Yep.
I'm not going to get taken with the wind.
Yep. We've canoed
once
before.
In Cocos Island, but it lasted about 2 minutes because it turned into a massive argument.
Yep.
And we just gave up.
Yep.
Yeah, there it is, just like there. I can't believe it's in there. How nice is it?
It's beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful little beach.
I can't hold on to you anymore. Do you want to go or not?
So a Ricali, Australia's native otter, or Australian water rat, is something I've never really heard about, seen, known about. It's a cool little animal by the looks. Except for that one maybe. As for the Opera House nets, I don't know about the Opera House nets, if they're illegal or not in WA. I left mine back at home just because I'm not too sure if they're legal or not. But loads of signs all throughout this track here, this trail, sorry. Righto, next stop is Warren National Park, the Dave Evans Bicentennial Tree, I believe it's called, which is a tree walk, treetop walk, or tree climb. But I don't know if you can see that. Straight ahead there, that is it. You gonna make it?
No.
Plenty of people here. There is another little car park up the back there with caravans and campers and that. But we're on a bit of a time restriction, aren't we?
Yeah.
20 minutes to get back to town. It's 12:30 now.
Yep.
And we've got to be back at 1:30, so an hour to do this, I guess. Have you seen the one right at the top?
Yeah.
You got it? And it is a national park as well, so you do have to pay. But definitely get yourself one of those park passes, $120 a year. Saves paying $15 each time you come into a park. God, I don't even think I'll be able to get right up top there.
Tired.
That's incredible.
They're going up. They're going up. Alright. Come on.
You going? Going to the first level?
My legs already hurt.
Got this.
I didn't even like it, how far I went.
So we spun around as they're coming back down. Reckon we're gonna have time?
No.
So there we go. Yep. Whoa, not even halfway yet. And remembered that I hate heights. Wow. Oh, halfway. There is no chance I'm doing that. The rest. That is ridiculous. How'd you go?
Good.
God, you did it a lot quicker than I did.
Mom! Star!
Righto, how are we going for time?
We've got 40 minutes.
40 minutes?
Wait, have you been to like
I'm pretty happy I made it halfway.
Have you been to like Brook?
Is that halfway?
Apparently.
I'm just jealous.
But good on people making it right to the top. That's incredible. My legs are killing me.
Yeah, my legs already
My calves.
hurt, so I don't think I would.
Anyway, let's hit the road.
Yeah.
Get on into town, get a coffee, hot chocolate, and do this train/tram ride.
Yeah.
Righto, we have made it to the railway, Pemberton Railway. We're going to pick our tickets up. It's 1:30. We even managed to get coffee and cake. Ripper. So let's get these tickets, try and get on board. Fully booked, isn't it? And it's a school holiday, so we'll see how we go there. But this should be good. I'm bloody excited. It's a beautiful day.
Yeah, it's very hot.
It is, isn't it? You've taken your coat off.
Yep.
But a beautiful day for a train ride. Hopefully not on that one though. $28 each. Gets us 2 tickets.
Must be worth it.
Hopefully. We'll just wait at the train station now, eh?
Yes.
With coffee.
And I bought you a present.
Ooh.
This is mine.
Yeah, get rid of that. Get rid of that.
This is mine too.
They start to increase in girth. Karri trees are in fact the 3rd tallest trees in the world. Second tallest is the mountain ash trees of Victoria and Tasmania, and the tallest is of course the American redwood, which can reach heights up to about 120 metres. It'll give off a soapy substance which is really good for washing and cleaning. It's all the indigenous folks used to use down here for a long time. Some people wash up and clean off. They also used to use to treat that particular infection to the point where over the last 10 years or so, they've had a couple of tourists who've been unfortunate enough to be infected by that when they whilst walking the Pemberton track. And of course by the time they were able to rub the oils on the skin and use it as a biting insect repellent to ward off such things as sandflies and mosquitoes. They've mounted above the fireplace if you'd like to check that out once we do return to the station. And there are of course the 3rd largest freshwater crayfish on the planet. Second largest is the Karri River freshwater crayfish from over east. Third largest is of course the Tasmanian giant freshwater crayfish from
How'd you go, the first bit?
Yeah, good.
It's alright, isn't it? But we are at Cascades, I believe. Short little walk from the train track to the Cascade Falls. And a 25 minute stop or something here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yep. There we go. Well, that was the beautiful Cascades, and 25 minutes goes really quick. Yeah, just a beautiful walk around here. But he sounded his little horn, so we're going to get back to the tram, get on there and carry on. Not too sure, oh hello, just a little shortcut. I'm not too sure how much longer we've got on the tram. Well, we haven't got much battery left on the GoPro, so we might have to switch to the phone. Well, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Anyway, let's get on the tram and get on out of here. Well, that is the Pemberton tram. What do you think? It's good, isn't it? Yeah. I reckon it's worth the 28 bucks easily. Couldn't really hear old mate talking though, on the loudspeaker.
Yeah.
But I don't know, you get that. You just look at the view, really. Beautiful view through there. Beautiful little track. But anyway, we are crackered. Yeah. We're going to head back to the van and yeah, just relax really, have a beer. Let's do it. Good day in Pemberton.
Yes.
Well, that's pretty handy.
Looks like you're not relaxing.
No, it might be an afternoon changing the alternator, which is a bit of a bugger. Let's go, eh?
Yes.
Starting to shut up now, it's warming up. So not ideal, but the starter motor is out. And the new one being the same unit, same number and everything, just 130 amp hour, whereas I think this one's an 80. But also, I did snap a bolt. Absolutely spewing there, so I've had to rob one. Excuse the filthy engine bay, but I've robbed one that fits out of the catch can here. I'm gonna have to clamp that or something, but I'd rather have a bolt in the alternator and it all working again than have I guess one bolt holding the alternator on. But anyway, it's been about 40 minutes. Try and get this in, and done well in less than half an hour, hopefully. And hopefully that bolt holds until I can get another one. It is due for a service in another 500 k's, so I'll try and get that sorted then. And with Prado and Hilux alternators, the main thing that goes, which I suspect has gone on this one, is the bearing in here, which, if I do remember correctly, I think you can completely weld this up so it's a fixed unit, it doesn't spin by itself, which I might even do to this one in the future. As soon as we got a new one on, have this one as a spare, get it welded up. But I believe they still do it. Alternator is on, turned her on, drove it up and around here a little bit. No warning lights came on as of yet, but went on a lot easier than I thought. It did snap a bolt, so hopefully the bolt that I did pinch out of the catch can is going to last in there. But we'll see how we go there. It is due for a service soon, so hopefully I can get a hold of another bolt and chuck it in there. So it looks like it's all working. We'll just give it a couple of minutes, 10-15 minutes, and see if no lights come up on the dash. But happy days. Pretty stoked. That went pretty easy actually, apart from that one snap bolt, which I've got to keep an eye on. Righto. Seems good. No noises, no rattles, no lights or anything, so seems to be working. But I think we're going to put dinner on. Some nice burgers on the fire here, but how good is this spot? This place is just beautiful. So good. Wow. Oh. Righto, burglars are on. Are you excited?
I'm starving.
We didn't have lunch today, but I can't get over this place here. 20 bucks a night, or Hip Camp, I believe, $24 a night. You can book it. Or you can just ring the number if you want. That's what we did and it worked.
Yep.
20 bucks for us. Bloody amazing spot. But we are packing up tomorrow and we're heading...
I need to find out.
We got no idea where we're heading, what we're doing. But we're going to end this video here. This is bloody... Yeah, I can't get over this spot. Stunning little spot. Watching the kookaburras flap around. Burgers going. They are going to be flame grilled soon. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this episode where we finally got on the train as well, tram, whatever it is. And got to go through the forest. Anyway, cheers. We'll see you on the next one.
Thanks guys. See you later. Do it when I'm in bed.
She's not in bed?
Yeah.
What am I doing?